Yes. Energy work can become a really flourishing career
Mm,
for this 21st century.
hmm.
So if you want to do it, oh, but I'm, somewhat satisfied. I would like to do this for fun on the weekend. That's totally fine.
Mm,
But inside of you, it's really, really talking, no, that's not my truth.
mm.
I'm compromising myself. I'm not
Right,
fulfilled.
right,
I really love this work and then I would love to do it in full time.
right.
Yes, there is a big possibility and there are so many people done it.
Yeah.
So if you have that doubt, don't doubt it.
Ah,
Yes,
I like
life is
that.
fluid. So
Yeah,
anything you want to, you really can make it happen.
I like that. That's a great message. I guess I just because you just mentioned that, I just want to bring this up because it is a big thing. Going from maybe what you're expected in life, I'm sure
Mhm.
there's pressures from family or society or
Yes.
friends, we have these expectation of, hey, this is how you should be or what you should be doing in your life. And you said sometimes we have that inner sense of, I really need to be doing this. And to go from the breaking away from other people's expectations to really getting into that space of, hey, no, I can really be myself. I can really do this energy healing and have
Mhm.
success with this. Um, whether for yourself or again the people that you've worked with or just the that kind of the in between, sometimes it's
Mhm.
kind of that scary unknown space. What would you is there anything you would speak to that as far as kind of the transition, kind of moving away from the old to the new?
Yes.
Yeah.
Many people who are in a transition, I always even tell my clients, teaching when I have the energy healing, this business coaching clients, now you are shifting.
Hmm.
And I'm just letting you know, even your colleague or some of the people, you are vibrational frequency has been shifted. So
Right.
you're going to start attracting a new environment,
Mm.
new friendship, new relationship.
Mm.
And some of the people may leave or you don't even have any trying to separate from it, but just to start to get distance and then you don't correspond like before.
Right.
That's completely normal. Don't be
Mm.
afraid.
Right.
Unforeseen is an adventure. This is the life that I truly believe we set up before we are born. But
Mm.
we don't want to cheat it, right? So by the time we are born, everything has like amnesia, like a Susan.
Uh-huh.
We forget about it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I say everything in life, we already determined. No, we can go through this. That's why we are setting up. So don't be afraid.
Mm.
Everything can be happy. And I truly believe that happily ever after life is possible.
Hmm.
So yeah, it's not going to be rosy. You may have a little, like a stumble
Sure.
here and there.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. But nobody just falls down and cry and then forever just laying down. You're gonna eventually pick up yourself and then go on, right?
Hmm.
So don't worry about it. You may have a fear, but just keep on trusting in that.
Mm.
You will
Right.
meet new people. And then 10 years later, those old people may come back in your circle again because it
Mm.
happened to me.
Mm.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's don't engage into the fear, just the possibility. What is your imagination of the outcome? That's
Right.
it. I want the people to focus on.